Good morning, students. So today I am going to teach you chapter number 8, the use of verbs in tenses. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to learn about the use of verb. ठीक है कि किस तरीके से हम अपने टेंसेस में वर्ब का यूज़ करते हैं. इस चैप्टर में हम वो रीड करेंगे, आज वो पढ़ेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. द वर्ब इज़ अ सिग्निफिकेंट पार्ट ऑफ सेंटेंस. व्हाट इज़ अ वर्ब? द वर्ब इज़ अ सिग्निफिकेंट पार्ट ऑफ सेंटेंस. एक सेंटेंस का वर्ब बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट होता है. ठीक है, इन एवरी सेंटेंस द फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब चेंजेस अकॉर्डिंग टू इट्स टेंस. हर सेंटेंस में जो वर्ब की फॉर्म होती है वो चेंज होती है उसके टेंस के अकॉर्डिंग, उसके सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग, उसके मूड के अकॉर्डिंग, उसकी वॉइस के अकॉर्डिंग एंड नरेशन के अकॉर्डिंग. ओके, दैट इज़ वाई मोस्ट मिस्टेक्स मेड बाय स्टूडेंट आर दोज विच रिलेट टू द यूज़ ऑफ वर्ड्स. इसलिए ये कह रहे हैं कि क्योंकि जो वर्ब है उसकी फॉर्म चेंज होती है अकॉर्डिंग टू टेंस, सब्जेक्ट, मूड, वॉइस एंड नरेशन. सो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे हैं जो इन चीज़ों में मिस्टेक करते हैं जो कि वर्ब के यूज़ से रिलेट होती है. ठीक, इन दिस चैप्टर वी शैल डील विद द यूज़ ऑफ वर्ब इन टेंसेज. इस चैप्टर में हम वर्ब की कैसे यूज़ करना है हम अपने सेंटेंस में, हाउ टू यूज़ वर्ब इन आवर सेंटेंसेज, we will discuss that. Okay, so we have three main tenses. We have three main tenses. हमारे तीन main tenses हैं. फर्स्ट इज़ प्रेजेंट, सेकेंड इज़ पास्ट एंड थर्ड इज़ फ्यूचर. व्हाट इज़ प्रेजेंट? जो अब चल रहा है, जहाँ पर हम हैं इस टाइम. व्हाट इज़ पास्ट? पास्ट इज़ जो जा चुका है. ठीक. व्हाट इज़ फ्यूचर? फ्यूचर इज़ आर मीन्स जो हमारा आने वाला कल है. ओके, सो here are some sentences in present, past and future. Let's understand what is that. First is the present. We do our work. हम अपना काम करते हैं. So which type of tenses? It is our present tense because हम अपना काम करते हैं, यानी ये अभी भी प्रेजेंट में काम कर रहे हैं. द सेकेंड इज़ द पास्ट. वी डिड आर वर्क. हमने अपना काम किया था. तो यहाँ पर हम अपने पास्ट के बारे में बात करें. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट आर पास्ट इन दिस सेंटेंस. दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ पास्ट टेंस. थर्ड इज़ द फ्यूचर. वी शैल डू आर वर्क. हम अपना काम करेंगे. ओके, यानी यहाँ पर अब फ्यूचर में काम करने की बात हो रही है. हमने अभी ना ही अपना काम किया है और ना ही अभी हम कर रहे हैं, बल्कि हम फ्यूचर में वो काम करेंगे. सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द फ्यूचर टेंस हियर. ओके, सो इज इट क्लियर दैट वी हैव थ्री टेंसेस, that is present, past and future. Okay, now each tense has four different forms. Each tense has four different forms, as I told you before in the previous chapter that we have four different forms, that is simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. That is simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Okay, and thus we have 12 tenses in English. इसलिए हमारे पास भी जो 12 tenses हैं इंग्लिश में, ये हमारे 4 मेन टेंस हैं. सिंपल, कंटिन्यूस, परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस. ये हमारे क्या है? ये हमारे 4 डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स हैं, 4 मेन फॉर्म्स हैं. लेकिन इनके अलावा भी हर किसी के फोर फॉर्म्स अलग हैं. तो हमारे कितने फॉर्म्स हो गए? 12 टेंसेस की फॉर्म्स हो गई. फर्स्ट प्रेजेंट सिंपल, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस, पास्ट सिंपल, पास्ट कंटिन्यूस, पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस, फ्यूचर सिंपल, फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस, फ्यूचर परफेक्ट एंड फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस. ओके, so the most important thing for a student is to remember the various forms of a word that are used in these 12 sentences. They are saying what they are saying. They are saying जो सबसे important बात है किसी भी स्टूडेंट के लिए याद रखना, वो ये है कि जो वेरियस फॉर्म्स हैं वर्ब की, उन्हें किस तरीके से हमें इन सेंटेंसेस में यूज़ करना है. ओके, यू शुड नो एंड यू नीड टू नो दैट हमें किस तरीके से क्या रूल्स हैं इन फॉर्म्स के. ओके, और कहाँ पर किस तरीके से हम इनका यूज़ करना है. ओके, सो इसके लिए the table is given here, as you can see. So with the help of this table you can easily learn the rules of all tenses. First is present simple. तो present simple का क्या rule है? The rule of present simple is V1, that is verb first form plus S or ES. V1 plus S or ES. Okay, the rule of present simple is V1, that is verb first form plus S or ES. In past simple we will use only V2, means verb second form. Okay, in future simple we will use will, shall plus V1. What we use? We will use will, shall plus V1. V1 means verb first form. Okay, now in present continuous we will use is, am or are plus V1 plus ing. Is, am, are means if. So in present continuous, if the sentence is given in the singular form, that we will use is. Okay, plus V1 and ing. And if the sentence is given in the plural form, okay, so we will use am or are plus V1 plus ing. Okay, now in past continuous was were plus were first form plus ing. Was were, where we will use was was will use with the singular person or thing. Were will use with the plural person or thing plus v1 and ing. In future continuous, will, shall plus be plus verb form plus ing. Okay, we will use will with all the sentences, all the person or things, but we will shall use with I and we. We shall use I and we. Okay. Now in the present perfect, has, have plus v3. Past perfect, had plus v3 means verb third form. Now in future perfect, will, shall plus have plus v3. In future perfect, we shall use will, shall plus have plus v3 means verb third form. Now in the present perfect continuous, we shall use has, have plus been plus verb first form plus ing. In past perfect continuous, had plus been plus v1 plus ing. In the future perfect continuous, will, shall plus have been plus v1 plus ing. Okay. Now here are some examples. So let's read. Present simple, mom gets up early. मॉम जल्दी उठती हैं. पास्ट सिंपल, मॉम गॉट अप अर्ली. मॉम जल्दी उठती थी. फ्यूचर सिंपल, मॉम विल गेट अप अर्ली. मॉम जल्दी उठेंगी. ओके. नाउ as you can see that what are the rule of present simple, past simple, future simple. The rule of present simple is v1 plus ses. So we are using v1 here. v1 means for first form, and what is the first form of get is, the first form of get is get, and we are using s here. We are using s here. Plus in the rule it is also given that v1 plus s plus es. So we are using first form plus s here. Okay. Now in the second sentence, past simple, mom got up early. Mom jaldi uthti thi. So what is the rule of past simple? The rule of past simple is v2 only. Only means verb second form. So we are using here only second form of get. And what is the second form of get? The second form of get is got. Okay. Now in the future simple, mom will get up early. So first let's see the rule, and the rule is of future simple, will, shall plus v1. So what we are using here? We are using here will, because mom is singular, that is why we are using will here, and verb first form. And what is get? Get is the first form of get. Okay. Now in the present continuous, mom is getting up early. So we are using is, okay, which is in the rule of present continuous, and we are using getting. Getting means get is the first form of get, and we are using ing also here. So get, first form plus ing means get, and ing, okay, is getting. In the past continuous, was getting, mom was getting up early. Mom jaldi उठ रही थी. Future continuous, mom will be getting up early. Mom jaldi उठ रही होंगी. So we are using will be and getting here. Okay. So you can match the rules of the tenses, and you can match the sentences with the rules. So you can easily understand. Now in present perfect, mom has got up early. We are using has here as in the rule, according to the rule, and we are using third form of get here. Okay. So the third form of get is get, got, getting. Get, got, getting. Okay. In the past perfect, mom had got up early. So we are using had and got here. In the future perfect, mom will have got up early. So we are using what? We are using will have got here. We are using will have got here. Okay. Now in the present perfect continuous, mom has been getting up early. So getting up early, so we are using has been getting, and what is the rule of future perfect continuous? The rule of future perfect continuous is will, shall plus have been plus v1 ing. So we are using we are talking about the present perfect continuous. So the rule of present perfect continuous is has, have plus been plus v1 ing. So has been, okay, because mom is singular, that is why we are using has here. So has plus been plus getting up early plus verb plus ing form. Okay. In the past perfect continuous, mom had been getting up early. We are using had been, and getting means that is had been is giving in the rules of past perfect continuous, and we are using v1 here. v1 here means get plus ing form here. Okay. In the future perfect, mom will have been getting up early. We are using will have been getting. Okay. So student, first you need to learn the rules of these forms. Okay, you need to learn the rules, and the rules are given here on page number 38 of your grammar book. So you can easily learn from there. Okay, then match the rules with these sentences. Okay, now the chapter has finished, students. I'll send you some work on your WhatsApp group regarding this chapter. If you have any problem, then you can contact me. Okay, thank you.